Today we're going to be learning about argumentative essays, and we're going to kick that off with an opener called a K-W-L chart. So in this column, we're going to write what we know, we're going to write what we need to know to successfully complete this project, and at the end of the project, which should be around Friday, we're going to write what we learned. So if you could raise your hand, somebody tell me what you already know about argumentative writing or persuasive writing. Yes, ma'am.
There's two things, and you're choosing which one you think is correct. Like, is kind of like the one where somebody stole somebody's mascot, that basketball one. Where did you believe it or did you not?
Okay, so you have two sides, and you have to choose from one, right? Good job. So if I'm writing it down, you should be writing it down also.
Yeah, and I'm going to write it down up here, so it's another place for you to see it. By the way, hello everybody, I missed you so much. I hope you missed me. And you missed me like a headache.
All right. Yes, ma'am.
And persuasive writing is trying to convince.
Yes, persuasive writing is trying to convince your audience. This is why I taught you author's purpose last week, because now you get a little snapshot of how this works. Because last week we went in depth with author's purpose, so now you're going to be the author and your goal is to persuade your audience. Does anybody else know anything about persuasive writing or argumentative writing? Yes, sir?
Persuasive writing, it's like when you're writing something that you want to convince someone to do it or do it.
Yes. So you want your reader to you want the reader to take action. You want to convince the reader to do something. I want to zoom in so you guys can see a little bit better. Phew, that's too blurry. Is that good? Mm-hmm. Okay. Anything else about what you already know? Okay, I think that's a perfect foundation. So you already know the basics. What do you think you need to know a little bit more of to be successful on this upcoming essay? Yes?
What words we should use.
Ooh, what are good words to use? Good one.
How about, can we change that a little bit to say what is persuasive vocabulary?
Yes. So what is persuasive vocabulary? Yes, ma'am.
You can use onomatopoeias.
Ma'am?
You can use onomatopoeias.
Can you use onomatopoeia? Anybody else? Yes?
We have like samples of persuasive writing and help us.
Can we get samples? Yes, we can certainly get samples. Okay. I'll give you about 1 minute to finish writing that down.
What do you mean by samples? You said something about samples?
Like a sample paper.
Oh, like to model after?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
We can definitely get one of those. Okay, then after we write on Friday, we're going to revisit this KWL chart. That's why it needs to be in class every day this week, and we're going to fill out the what I have learned column. Okay?